Hola everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji and the only global real estate agency in this 333 island nation of Fiji. Look at this view. Oh, wow. Those are real colors, my friends. That is legit. Look at all those beautiful turquoise colored waters. You can see the reefs here, the deeper channels. Man, the fishing and the snorkeling and scuba diving here are off the charts. And out there on that whitewater break, that is some of the world-class surfing, cloud break restaurants. Look it up on Google. It's literally right there. And we are just around the corner from Six Senses Resort, Vunabaka development, Mana Island, where they filmed Castaway, the movie. And for you Survivor fans, that's where they filmed Survivor USA, right there. So we have an incredible 3-bedroom property on Malolo, Lailai Island for sale. And I want to show this to you. So we have one of the bedrooms here with the shower stall and toilet. Nice cool paintings here. Here's the mangi, the coconut fiber that they do here in Fiji, custom done. This is based on that masi, the bark cloth that they do, and that's your built-in wardrobe. And look at that view. You can literally just hang out here, read, relax. Now we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you, this is like a pod style house, so it's divided up into 3 sections. That's the one. Here's the access road. You can literally walk down there. It took me about less than 2 minutes to get to the beach and the boat dock. And this is all part of the Six Senses residential community and then heading into Vunabaka. Notice here, there you go, some bananas. So if you come here and you take this place, you can get yourself some tropical drinks. And believe me, they got some fantastic rums here in Fiji too that you're probably reading about online. Here's your garden, right, with some beautiful tropical plants. We're gonna go into the main building here, and this is the master's suite. And you can see it has 2 entrances here. Here is all that wardrobe on both sides. Master bedroom, cyclone shutters with that privacy screen. Amazing breezes coming here, just nonstop, incredible. Here are those loungers. You can just chill out and catch this view. All this seating for entertaining. Great table and chairs there for fixing up some fresh caught fish, because you know you're gonna be doing some fishing here. If you have to do some work, I suppose you could do it there. But realistically speaking, you'll probably want to shift your desk around this way. Look at that. Poof. I mean, could you imagine just sitting here and enjoying this every day? Well, guess what? You can. That's right. We're giving it to you. Go to professionalsfiji.com or call us +679 999 2051. And this home could be yours. Look at that. You can get your Netflix, your internet's working up here, full laundry facilities, great couches to lounge around after you've gone out there and done some amazing surfing and snorkeling. There's your gas stove top there with your oven, your fridge, microwave. Around the corner there, dishwasher. Here is the second bure. This is that other 1 bedroom on the other side. So you have 1 on that side, 1 on this side, and then you have this nice big wraparound deck. You can see all these banana palms here, so you're gonna have plenty of bananas to keep you healthy. And speaking of healthy, fresh air, beautiful views, organic fruits and vegetables, and just Fiji time, Fiji living. Find out more about this and all of our listings. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051. We want to hear from you, and we want to see you sitting here with us right here, right now. Minaka.